Hey, when your sourcing kind of gets disturbed because of the time of the year, whether it's thrifting, going to yard sales, garage sales, however you do it, because we love those, don't be afraid to go check out some estate sales because sometimes you can find some better stuff at a better deal. How's it going? Guessing it's here? All right. How you doing? Huh?
Just looking at all of it.
Excuse me. Dun, 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 dun. It's a closet back there.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah. It's just the master. All right, watch your step, buddy.
I really grew up with it.
How you doing?
Come on in. Multi-level properties.
Jacket's cool.
How many dollars those are?
I saw those. Here, look in this bag. Look at this thing.
Oh, neat.
It's a coloring book. One jacket in there, yes. The other one, your decision. It's two jackets. One's a Pendleton. The other one is just a cool 80s look. There's a kitchen up here.
That's cups. That's a book.
This is crazy. This is a kitchen.
So that's the kitchen?
Yes, there's a microwave, a stove, a sink. With its own little porch patio that goes downstairs. They had this as a separate apartment up here.
Yeah, it's a whole
Enjoy.
All right, my wife has some other stuff, but I was gonna go look in the basement. Can I put this somewhere back here?
Sure. I'm not sure what your wife had.
She's got stuff in a bag. This just wouldn't fit in the bag we had.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down.
Well, the way it was shaped, I was like, you'd think it would line up right on the river.
I know.
And you have patios on the backside.
There's a lot of upside stuff.
Guess these will be fine.
Well, it's the boards have
How are you?
How's it going?
Good.
The boards sort of separated on one side.
Yes, I saw that.
Unusual.
And it had some issues. I think it had some issues on the interior too, didn't it?
There's 3 floors upstairs.
I didn't examine it that closely, but I did take a casual look at it. Very nice desk though. Could with a little bit of work could be really very nice.
And for the boards separating on the side is not unusual.
No.
And it was just one.
That's my problem. I've got a little age on me and some separations too. It comes with age. I'm not 250 years old.
You have piqued
but-
my curiosity.
But
Why
I'm
do you have a
catching
camera
up
on?
on it.
Oh, I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, okay.
We show people, we go,
Ma'am,
look at all this stuff, don't let it go to waste.
That's right.
Yard sales, estate sales, stuff like that.
Oh, cool.
I'm like, whether you're a collector, you want to
yesterday,
sell it, whatever, don't let it go to waste, you know?
Is she okay doing
That's what we try to teach people, so.
she's got her issues, but I
Oh,
think
okay.
she's doing okay. The
And a
best
Wii
thing
gaming
is she's
system.
A
in
Wii
good
gaming
spirits.
system, yeah.
Okay, right. She
She's-
usually is. Yeah.
She's,
Got you right here so you can look at it.
she's reunited herself with one of her childhood boyfriends.
Exercise.
The board,
Board.
yeah.
Lives in Wisconsin.
I just
don't know
donated one of those.
with that saga or not. I told her, look, that's fine. Have as much fun as you want to, but don't get your heart broken. That's the only thing.
Good advice.
And I said, just remember, don't get your heart broken. There are plenty of men.
Hi, man.
What's up? What else you found?
Good wool blanket.
I got some blankets, some more light bulbs I needed.
Okay.
Because they had the right fittings.
Okay, cool.
I was looking. All right, so yes, the only part I did not film in that was what we paid for it. It was $26 for everything, and we did really good by only spending $26, and it was like a first day estate sale. Some of their items were a little higher price, but we like checking out the stuff that maybe they don't know about or that they don't, look up. Sorry, I'm distracted by some of our incredible Christmas decorations. Yes, we've been working on that the last couple days. We're not totally done yet. But let me show you quickly. We didn't pick up a ton, but we did really, really good on some of these things. So probably the least profit, but what's really cool is I still think this box will pay for everything. I got a lot of these G.I. Joes. These are like metallic blue, and I was doing a little bit of research, and I'll try to put some comps up there. I was going by the color, and some of them are specifically marked. I think these darker green ones. And by some of the companies, there's one like different years. Be sure to check these out if you get them cheap enough. This was $3 for this box, and I really bought it because of that guy. This is a 1977 Star Wars like fleet commander. He doesn't go for a lot, but I just saw Star Wars and I was hoping for more in there. But there are some nice vintage army men that I think I can still get about $20 just for the army men, just for that amount. Yes, I was kind of surprised. I wanted to make sure I didn't get a waste, and that guy is only worth about $5. So like I said, almost pays for the entire lot. But my wife picked up these awesome blankets. They are Kenwood wool. We have this like peachy pink color and then that light blue. These wool blankets definitely move. These are going to bring in about $50 a piece. Now that is incredible. Great profit. And then here was that shirt. Nice Pendleton tag. A nice like flannel shirt. Should also bring in about $50. But the thing that blew my mind, this Incredible Hulk coloring book. Yeah. Check this everything out. There is one page that was colored on, but I like it when it's a page that they colored that still they did a really good job, so it doesn't look bad. But I had to find this thing on WorthPoint because it looks like I'm gonna have the only one listed. Some of the like perforated edge started to come apart, but it stops right there and it's still all one solid piece. Yeah, went to WorthPoint because I saw the only listings there. And thanks to Dom, Primetime Treasure Hunter, we were chatting about this. He says, yeah, you could auction it or put it at a good buy it now price, because on WorthPoint, and I'll try to put those on here, the last one went for $45, but it looks like it was on a bid a year prior to that. It went for like 75, and then the year before that it was close to 100. So I don't want to price it too low because it might be pretty rare, but I was just blown away. Like, look at this thing. It is incredible. So I'm gonna probably list this at $100. It's the only one, you know, I'd be happy with that because you're looking at 150, 200 plus 250, and even another 20 bucks. That's $270 on a $26 investment. That's why you should go check out estate sales. Yeah, like I said, I do miss these. If I find any snowy ones, I will go to them. But I didn't want to leave you like empty-handed. If you aren't familiar with how to find good estate sales in your area, of course you have like Craigslist, things like that. You can check on Facebook Marketplace. You can like kind of type that in, but just Google estatesales.net. You can put in your zip code and it'll kind of give you a range with some dates on some estate sales that are coming up in your area. I check that thing a few times a week to make sure no like last minute one, you know, information gets dropped on there and I don't want to miss any. And it even shows you a little bit outside of your range. So if you don't mind driving, you know, more than 30, 40 miles, you could plan a good trip. I did that for one that I got a big bulk of Fontanini. I drove almost 2 hours to go get that, but I found that on estatesale.net. And I just want to say thanks if you made it this far in the video. We're a little over 150 subscribers away from 2,000, and we'd love to hit that by Christmas of 2021. So that's a little over a month away. And if you want to share this video, if you're not subscribed, about 42% of you that watch this aren't subscribed. So if that button is still red, go ahead and click that. It helps us out and it'll let you know on your YouTube homepage when we drop new videos and new content for you. But if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. We just greatly appreciate it. It helps us out so much as we're growing and sharing great information here on YouTube about how you can do this and just find a few things and make a couple $100. It's really fun. We really love it. And we just love sharing this stuff with you. So, hey, be sure to check us back out. Hope you're doing great and go out there, make the world a better place with a sale and a smile. We'll see you again real soon.